What if I told you there's a 2 seconds formula that tells you exactly how long it will take for your money to double? No spreadsheets or even complicated math that is needed. And this is called the rule of 72. And if you don't know this yet, you're probably leaving thousands of dollars on the table, guys. And you're trying to build wealth in the slowest way possible. And at the end of this video, you will be able to predict your financial future with this just one number. And my name is Nick. I'm very, very passionate about finances. My team and I have been able to help hundreds of people to improve on their budgeting, their savings, and most importantly, leverage the compounding interest strategies to be able to invest for their future. And having said all that, let's dive straight into the video. So here is how it works. Take the number 72, right, and divide by your interest rate, or what we call your APR. And I'm going to give you guys an example. If you invest and you make your investment that gives you an APR of 8%, right, for us to be able to understand how long it will take for your money to double, we're going to get 72 divided by 8, and this will give us 9. And by this number, it means that it will take your money 9 years for it to be able to double, which is good, by the way, and great. Because when you compare this to what our traditional banks, such as Wells Fargo, Chase, name them, even your best favorite, right? This barely gives you 0.48% according to FDIC. But let's be so generous, and we use an APR of 1%. So if we do the simple math, right, we get 72 divided by 1, which is our APR or our interest rate. This will give us 72. And by this, it means that your money will take over 72 years for it to be able to double. And I think you guys can see the big difference. If you have an APR of 8% in your investment and someone has barely 1 or 0 point something, which is our most banks, the difference is huge. Why? Because someone is already doubling their money in 9 years, but for you and I and majority of our people are barely doubling their money in 72 years. Think about it. It's pretty crazy, because by 72 years, most of us retire at 62. So failure to understand these simple concepts will cost you so much, because you'll always be doing what we call a catch-up. And that's why, or even where we find our people, you're doing the same job with somebody, but because they have the knowledge, they have the understanding, and they also know how these principles work, when it comes to the way they live their lifestyle, the way they enjoy their retirement, there is a big difference. And this is the kicker. Someone understood how do these numbers work, such as the magic and even the power of the rule of 72. But for our most people, they're parking all their hard-earned money, sadly, in what we call the traditional banks that barely gives them 1%. And that's why it's very important for you and I, if you're not using these strategies already, it's very, very important to be able to leverage this and use it to our advantage. And here is a simple example, guys. Way back in time, right, when I was just getting started, especially when I know nothing about finances, I used to be excited about saving without having that bigger picture of investment, whereby when I got some few money that I had saved up, so I made sure that I ran to the bank. And you know what happens when you go to the bank, right? They will encourage you to open what we call a savings account. And with the typical traditional banks, I think by that time it was Wells Fargo or Chase, one of the two. But you know, with those typical traditional banks, which barely makes 1%, right? It means that with this rule of 72, when we get 72 and divide by 1%, it meant that my money was going to take 72 years to double, guys. So that's the biggest, huge mistake that I made. And as time went by and I learned about this important rule of 72, I made sure that I moved all my hard-earned money from a traditional bank to at least, you know, a bare minimum of a high-yield savings account, which gives me between 4 to 5%. Now that we've been able to learn about the rule of 72 and how it works, here are 3 actionable steps that you can start using today and immediately and start leveraging this. Step number 1, know your rates, because it's from this that you'll be able to understand how long it will take for your money to double. And for things like a traditional bank, right, this will give you anywhere between 1 to 2%, and most of which actually give you less than 1%. Whereas when it comes to the high yield savings account, this could be anywhere between 4 to 5% in terms of your APR. Whereas when it comes to index funds such as the S&P 500, this could range from anywhere between 7% to 10%. Step number 2, do your math. Now that you know your rate of return, you can go ahead and divide 72 divide by your rate of return to be able to understand how long it will take for your money to double. Step number 3, use it to ask better questions, such as should I save or invest? If someone gives you an investment opportunity for 3%, would I take it or not? Because now we know that if you invest in a 3% APR, your rate of return would be dependent on that. So it gives you that knowledge so that you can make sound, clear financial decisions. Because that's how the rich, the wealthy, and those who are financially savvy use this kind of information to be able to get ahead in each and everything that we do. And now that you've understood the rule of 72, which is how long it will take for your money to double, it's very, very important for you and I to know that money doesn't grow with time. No. Instead, it grows with interest. So in each and every decision, in each and every investment that you're going to do, in each and every move when it comes to your money, you have to be very careful, but also knowledgeable on what is your rate of return on that investment. If it's 4%, then you know how long it will take for your money to double. If it is 8%, then you equally do the math and you're able to understand how long you should be able to wait for your money to double or even triple. So in each and everything that you do going forward, when it comes to saving or even investment, you have to make sure that you leverage this principle to be able to get ahead in your financial goals. And having said all this, if you found value in this video, make sure that you like and subscribe for more value.